In this video, I would like to help you determine if you need to place a service call or if you can fix the machine yourself. One of the most common things that the service calls are placed for is the scan glass being dirty. Now, if you notice on this machine, you have two different types of glass. You have the big main glass and you have this little slit glass right here. This is glass that you need to keep clean at all times. What this does, if the scan glass is dirty, you will get lines on your prints or your copies. You can make a copy through your ADF or your automatic document feeder, and if you have lines, the best way to determine, make a copy off the glass. If you make a copy off the glass and those lines disappear, then you will definitely need to clean this area right here. I know it is very tough to see sometimes, and sometimes you may have to get a different look. What you would want to clean this with is lint-free paper towel or something like that, as long as it's lint-free, and you can use Windex or alcohol or do an alcohol pad or something. It's just regular glass. You just want to clean it back and forth just like that to get the dirt off, and it's usually a little speck of dirt that gets rubbed on there because the paper itself actually rubs across there, so any dirt that's on your originals will get on this glass, causing you to have lines. So that is probably the most common copy quality issue that you can fix yourself.